All right there, new real estate investors. Now you're starting to buy, some rental properties. You're gathering tenants. You're screening the tenants, and the first of the month is coming up, and you want to make sure that nobody forgets to pay their rent. So what I've done is a little tip that you guys can do. Basically, in Google Calendar, I set up a reminder to all the tenants that we have. So let's just go through here. Edit. And basically, here it is. The date, it's set up for every 27th of the month. It's an all day thing, and it's a constant reminder every single month where the rent's got to be mailed to, the notifications, and then a brief note. Rent, let me fix that since it's here. Rent must be received on or before the 10th of the month. ACH bounce fee is $50. So little notes in there, and then all our tenants will get this notification. And you're good to go. And then that way they don't forget to mail the rent, and they get a reminder every single month. Good luck. And if you have any questions, visit reifordummies.com, reifordummies.com.